Hello guys, nice to have you once again watching my training. I'm godswill and I'm going to take us from one step to another in this training. You can always visit my YouTube channel to like, to share, to subscribe, and to also get to know more of my trainings. And in this place, we are going to handle introduction to programming. And guys, note, I might not be spending much time in each of these. I'm going to run through. It's just like a summary. So let's go. And the first thing here has to do with computer. Note, guys, that some things that you may hear here or you may see might be the things that you've known before, but there are some that you may not have heard or known before. So the first thing here has to do with computer. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. So this will take us to the next thing that we are about to learn right now. Is like a building block from one to another. So the next thing here has to do with command. What is a command? A command is a specific instruction given to a computer application to perform some kind of task or function. This will take us to the next thing, which has to do with program. A program is a set of instructions written in a sequence that tells the computer what to do. So, and always know that program is made up of two or more commands. Let me repeat, two or more commands. Then this will take us to the next thing, which has to do with programming languages. And there are hundreds of programming languages today. And some of them, or few of them, are just what I highlighted, like C programming, C++ programming, Java programming, C# programming, Python programming, and other ones. Then this takes us to the next thing, which has to do with software. Guys, always note one thing, that the essence of computer is so that it might solve a problem, not only solving that a problem, but to solve it, accurately on time. You understand? So, and these problems can be solved by developing software. Are you with me? So what is a software? A software application can be defined as a collection of programs that are written in high-level programming languages to solve a particular problem. Note that software is made up of two or more programs plus these procedures, which has to do with the steps that we follow to develop such programs or such a software, as well as the documentation, which is take us to the next thing, which has to do with programming methodologies or programming paradigms. Guys, it might sound like something that you've not heard before, but it's not hard. Programming methodologies are sets of practices followed to write a program, meaning that whenever you want to develop any application, you should always think about what the application will do and the best programming methodology that you may need to adopt in order to develop such application. And some commonly used programming methodologies are procedural programming. Another one is structured programming. We have event-driven programming, and we also have object-oriented programming, which has to do with OOP. I know most of us have heard about OOP over and over again, and you always want to know what is OOP. Don't worry, I have so many of the programming languages that are there in my YouTube that you can get anytime, any day, to learn more about programming methodology, which has to do with OOP itself. Then now it takes us to the first programming methodology written there, which has to do with procedural programming methodology. This is a programming methodology that enforces a top-down pattern of execution of codes. This one believes that any program written should follow from up while the execution is going on from up to the bottom. And some of the programming languages under these are Fortran, COBOL, BASIC, and Pascal. And other ones, not only Pascal. I just speak based on what I have on the screen. Then the next programming methodology here has to do with structured programming methodology. This is a programming methodology that enforces a logical structure on the program being written. It has to do with a program being divided into a simpler modules in which each of it handles a particular task. We can see something like functions and procedures as some of the simpler modules that we have. And some of the programming languages that are under this are C programming, Visual Basic, and other ones that are not listed here. Then this takes us to the next programming methodology, which has to do with event-driven programming methodology. This methodology ensures that the flow of a program is determined by user action, such as key presses or mouse clicks. Then, some of the programming languages under this are TCL, to command language, or PAL. You understand? So the action of the user is actually determining what the program will do at the end of the day. Then this one takes us to OOP. So guys, this is where we will end today. Always visit my YouTube channel to subscribe, to like, to share. Mr. Godswill once again. Thank you for watching.